Hi, I'm Cheryl Stevens, and I'm a member of Unity Center of Peace and part of a team that brings you the last Wednesday of every month a program called Wednesday Night Watch. Typically, we show movies and documentaries that bring together science and spirituality. This Wednesday, we're showing a documentary called Who We Are by Anthony Shin. I've watched this documentary twice because of the strong messaging behind consciousness and why we want to evolve in consciousness, particularly at a time that where we're so surrounded by darkness. 2020, 2021 has been really challenging. But as we tap into our deeper intuition and allow source spirit to express through us, we realize that our reality is so much broader than what we think, and that our possibilities are truly limitless. Join me and others this Wednesday. We'll watch this beautiful documentary together, and then we will engage in really rich discussion. I'll see you Wednesday at 7. Can't wait.